Good morning, good morning, good morning, good
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. I feel so good this morning. It has really been a good morning for me. I wanted to come back and show you my 2-strand twist and my unruly gray hair. And you really see that the gray is prominent today because I shampooed my hair this morning. And I could do that because without going through the braiding and banding, because my hair is already twisted and the ends are banded. I hope that's a safe way. If you think it's not, please tell me why not. But my plan is to do something else with my hair today. I don't know if I am going to be taking these twists out. I have been enjoying them, and I am not going to put any color on it. Now that I've washed my hair, I'm not going to put the Mofajang hair wax on it. I'm just going to let the gray do what it does. But I really wanted you to see just how it looked after being in my hair for some days. I did my hair on Monday and today is Thursday, and I still like it. So I don't know if I am going to do some sort of updo or different style, or if I'm taking them out. I hadn't made that decision yet, but the next video you see will show what I've done or decided to do. I just want to tell you to have a wonderful day. I'm a sister who loves her locks, even in 2-strand twists. I love my family and my friends. I love my subscribers, and I especially love God. And I just want you to have a wonderful day. I really do. If you have not subscribed to this channel, then please do so. I want you to like, comment, and also share on all of your social media sites. Share me with your friends. If you like me, they might like me too. Have a great day.